What's up, guys? It's your boy Danny563010 coming at you from my room. We're in my room again. I know it's really messy, but today we are going to be doing something cool. We're going to be playing with sound effects. Hope you don't mind. Brought to you by The Heat. Brought to you by Valentino. Donde lo más sabroso es lo más picante. Valentina. Y agua. Es rico. Okay. A empezar. So. That was the first one. And then we'll be like, blah. And then we'll be like, invisible piano. No, just don't do that. That's a bad. Pause for me. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Guess I better go home. I almost died! Get out of the way! God. Stop! Leave me alone, please! I don't have anything to do. Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Oh yeah, got myself a quarter. think a better match.
Hello. I know you. I just downloaded your database, and I will find you.
Don't mess with me again! If you mess with me again, I'll do my roar. You getting fresh with me? You getting fresh? Here we go.
You wanna mess with me now?
What happened? Stop! No. Stop! You're gonna kill me! I'm gonna give you Ebola! I have Ebola! Get away from me! I have Ebola!
Mommy won't let me in the room.
I have Ebola! She's gonna give me Ebola! I'll let you in my room! She has Ebola! God! Ebola people! Got me like... Which one's my friend's house? Let's see. No one's there. Let's try this one. No one's there either. Wow. What does this button do? Oh. That. What are you doing?
What the heck?
I'm dancing, can't you see it? Dance, 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 dance. Dance. Can't you see I'm dancing? Come on, dance with me. Come on. Dance with me, dance with me, dance with me.
Four.
Who ate my food? Who ate my tajin? Here you go. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You're alive. Oh, you're alive. They're coming. They're here. Oh my God. They're coming. Oh my God. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming. Oh my God. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. They're coming. Oh wait. No, wait. Never mind. They just passed by. Oh. Okay. Sorry. Whoops. Hey guys, I just want to say this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for everything. And just wanted to point out something, that videos are now going to be done. Maybe, I don't know. I was thinking we could do one week and then the next week 2 videos. So it'd be like 1 video 1 week and then the next video 2 videos. So we could try that, but I'll probably be doing that. But this week's going to be 2 videos because I already did them. I did the 11-year-old spy part 2, and then I did the, what's it called, maybe, oh yeah, messing around with, sound effects. So, thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and please comment down what you want me to do. Comment what you thought of this video. Comment what you thought of 11-year-old spy part 2 if you think it needs something. And if you have any other like challenges, maybe you can ask some questions, or maybe I'll do a Q&A. Just want to say thank you and hope, yeah, see you later, alligators. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.